Hello, it's Mr. Burkhart. I'm making a quick video just to recap what happened in first and third period today, Monday, September 14th. 10 minutes before class started, this screen was available with some music playing. And after class started, I shared our agenda. We tried a Jamboard warm-up where the original topic didn't work out so well. So we ended up just talking about pets in a breakout room. And then we watched a video, a Marble Leap video. And basically in that video, wow, the lag is just crazy. This makes me sad. Hi. And we don't want to watch the whole video. This is a recap. I'm just going to try to get to the part here, right here. So basically what you do is you cut a piece out of a pie plate, not a pie plate, a paper plate. Let's get to that part. There you go. And you take a marble and you roll it around the edge. So there has to be that kind of paper plate that has like a, really good paper plate that has kind of a groove. You want to roll the marble on that. And the question is, how many times will the marble leap and go around? How many times will the marble leap across this gap? So we showed that. We asked people to put their guess in a Jamboard, and then we showed what really happens. And I guess that'll be a surprise for you. But you can try it yourself. And then we're going to I didn't actually explain that. I just said, when we're going to come back to it. Then we looked at the assignments that we had for last week. And I talked about first week's assignments, which are down here. There was an introduce yourself to class discussion board. You should have posted and replied to somebody else's post. I haven't graded those yet. The reading the syllabus is just, you don't have to actually, you just read it. There was nothing to submit for that. There is a quiz though that you can take as many times as you need to. And now you should be able to see the answers because I've released the answers. And then we talked about dancing raisins, and basically what I did was, if I can, here I am right here, right? Okay. Well, I'm going to have to turn this on the wrong camera. So you can see my messy room. Yeesh. All right, so what I did is I got a container and I got some raisins which have been sitting in water overnight. They're all mushy. And we put them in the carbonated water, and the question was, what will happen to mushy raisins which have been soaked overnight? Will they dance the same as regular dry raisins? And I had people guess. They went into breakout rooms, they talked about it, and then we watched it. So I guess that'll be a surprise for you. And then we talked about what we were doing this week. And we talked about the measurement. So in the measurement introduction, it's another discussion board thing, but you'll only be in a discussion with 10 other people. I've got you broken into groups. Number 2 is a reading activity where you read a couple pages out of the textbook and do some note taking. Number 3 is a gizmo. I've got videos in the assignment that explain how to do the assignment. I'm also going to make a video for first period that shows you how to sign up for Gizmo because we didn't get around to doing that in first period. And in the average speed lab, there's a lab. You just click on there, and then there's things to write on in there and things to do. Should be self-explanatory at the end of the week. STEM physics quiz, a little quiz on the topics that we covered this week. Please do everything else first before you take the quiz. And Yeah, so it's all due on Sunday. I think that's what I meant to say. Right? That video is probably way too long.